Hi, I'm Wendy. Welcome to 90 Seconds to Thrive. How can we connect, engage, and motivate our employees with remote work? With prolonged working from home, stress from work, and family demands, people are increasingly dissatisfied, disengaged, and disconnected. This translates to lower productivity, creativity, and resignation, either psychologically or physically, from work. Here are 3 ways for leaders to support your people in virtual meetings. Number 1, insist on turning on videos during meetings. It's okay to appear without makeup or have family members walk around or even your wardrobe in the background. This is the reality of work now. Get used to it. It doesn't mean being sloppy. It's just being professionally real. And as a leader, we role model the way and give permission to your people to be real as well. Start your meeting with 1 word on how you are feeling. Go round robin and hear from the whole team. This gives you a pulse of your team and important information on how you can support them. Eye contact is still key, even in the virtual space. Look into the pinhole when you're talking to them and avoid looking at your second monitor so your team knows that you're present and interested in them. This is your 90 Seconds to Thrive. If you found this useful, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Till the next time, thank you.